Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. QNT, I just want to focus on the shorter time frame here. Still watching this $85 level, which is the support level there for a potential break. The QNT price looks very, very ready to break it, but it so far could maintain that support. Triple bottom so far, they really, really rarely hold. It looks like a descending triangle there actually. I've labeled it as a triangle. We talked about that in the last video. Could still get a little bit of a higher E wave, but ideally the price stays below wave C, so below $89.60, and it should give us another low into the $80, well, towards $80. That is an ideal target. Maybe it will go lower. The overall support range for this entire correction that started already last year. It started in January. No, it actually started here in October last year. So this actually, this should be close to being finished, okay? But that's only based on an assessment of how close we are now to the support levels, because we've been waiting for the price to get into this region for a while. So we are getting there, yeah? And based on the wave count, because the wave count tells us the wave count is basically complete. So maybe one more low, that's it. Well, that doesn't mean it has to turn around, but it means the chances for a turnaround, they obviously increase, because obviously you will not say that the price is close to completion when there is still a lot of waves to be done, but there are not a lot of waves to be done. So in terms of what would be ideal in terms of structure, it's done what it needs to do. Now there is just here this triangle that I'm spotting. What we need to know about triangles is a triangle is typically the second to last wave in a cycle. So that means that this could really be, yeah, there could just be one more wave down, right? I mean, it's maybe a bit of hopium, but I just want to make you aware to at least watch it. I'm not telling you to buy the next low, because that means you're catching the falling knife. It could just drop further. But it means that you might want to watch the $80 support level, which is a very, very important one, which is here the 78.6 retracement level on the linear chart. On the logarithmic chart, it's actually the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement level. Very, very important support line there, yeah. Very, very important. And below that level, we still have the $60 mark. That's acceptable still to get there. That's the 88.7 fib level on the linear chart, but the 78.6 fib level on the log chart, roughly. Okay, so I think on the log chart, we talk about $59, but it's sort of a cluster of different levels. But already months ago, we calculated different Fibonacci extensions. They were all pointing sort of towards $80. So I've always thought it might be a magnet for the price. The price is now finally there, or getting there. And I'm just watching here how the price is just trolling support. Very stubborn still, doesn't really want to come down aggressively. QNT knows how to be stubborn. I mean, this year was just extremely boring, this entire price action between May and, you know, August, September. So yeah, it's not doing anything unusual. I don't like the structure because it is very complex, okay? But yeah, overall, just a little bit lower. And that might be triggered by Bitcoin, just a little bit lower. Here, exact support is, yeah, $84.80 pretty much. And then it should go. Well, when can we say that a turning point is there? Then when can we say we're turning around? Is there a signal? For me, the very first and early signal would be a break above this A wave high. That would be invalidation of the triangle at basically $93. And then I would like to see the price break above $101.50. If we do that in 5 waves, we can say that a low was probably in, but I would never trust a triple bottom. They are very rare and they typically don't hold. So eventually it might then come down. But yeah, that's all I can say at the moment about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.